Here's something crazy. There were 2 dogs that came in the classroom last night and like ran around. We had no idea where they came from. They literally came off the street. They ran around the classroom and went to our cookie tray and like scarfed down our cookie tray. Crazy, right? And they were huge. I'm like praying in the back of my mind like, Lord, please don't let these dogs be aggressive. Hey guys, so it's the end of the day on Monday and I just wanted to show you a few things that we're working. We are making little octopus. So the kids tomorrow morning are going to curl the little legs and then we're gonna hang them off of the ceiling in our ocean habitat. We're also going to be doing, and this is something my team teacher made, so because we are a Christian school, we do some Christian Easter themed projects. So they're going to marble paint these. So basically what you do is you put this in a box and then they dip marbles in different paint. They put the marbles in the box and then they roll the box around and the marble gets on top, like rolls all over the paper. And then you take the blue tape off, and so once you take this off, then that part is exposed in all the paint. So you can see like a white cross on the egg. And then we are going to make little chicks, and there's like a little writing prompt that's associated with it, and we're gonna hang those. And I just ordered the incubator, and so that should be here by tomorrow, and thank God for Amazon Prime. And so I'm gonna make a little like coming soon for our eggs. So we're going to be getting fertilized eggs in April. My friend has some fertilized eggs. So anyways, I will catch up with you guys later because I have a meeting right now with my team teacher about the upcoming week. It is a busy week with spring program, and we're gonna talk about the classroom, kind of where we're heading with the curriculum, and yeah, so I will catch up with you guys probably tomorrow. All right guys, see ya. Oh my. Oh, I feel raindrops. Hey, good morning guys. So it is Tuesday and it has just started to rain. I stayed up last night later than I wanted to, but I got a lot done, and I feel really good about where I'm at with everything in preparation for everything that's coming up. I stayed up and I got this chick journal done, and I got my newsletter made for Friday and scheduled that to be sent out. And then I just did a bunch of other like odds and end type of stuff. I have not worked at all on YouTube. I got a bunch of grading done and grades in the grade book, and so that felt really good. So anyways, so we're gonna go get some coffee and breakfast, head to school, and it's probably definitely gonna be a rainy day recess today. So those Orbeez that I hydrated last week are gonna come in handy, and I can officially say this because I probably already announced it by the time that you're watching this video, but I'm getting a bunch of Lakeshore Learning flexible seating in today for the classroom, and so I'll be excited to unbox that and open it and show you guys what Lakeshore sent me for the classroom. So that's all happening today. My team teacher and I met yesterday, and we are getting chickens, like baby chicks, like eggs. We're gonna incubate eggs, and butterflies. And so I ordered the butterflies, and we were gonna wait till April to do the chicks just because with spring break and everything, I think they'll be hatching over spring break if we get them now. So we're gonna wait on that, but I'm going to make a display for the spring program and open house that says like, help us name our chicks. I'm gonna have the incubator out and the butterfly cage out. That just kind of showcases like, hey, coming soon. I think we're gonna say something like, meet our friends, like something like our friends are coming soon, or something that just showcases both of the chicks and the butterflies. We also have a couple like crafts that I wanted to get to today in kinder, but I'm really trying to push the academics. We are going through spring program practices this week too, so it's not as crazy as last week, but But academic wise, I'm definitely wanting to push the kids because our testing is coming up. So I want to make sure that we are on point and have covered everything that we need to cover in class before we get to testing. So yeah, so I'm gonna go get a coffee, get some breakfast. Probably see you later today. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so it is Tuesday after school. I'm wearing my coffee grade teach repeat #teacherlife shirt today. And I got this from Etsy. If you want to check out my Etsy haul video, I link the person that gave me this in there. I don't know, I can't remember them off the top of my head. But we are so busy this week trying to get the classroom prepared for the spring program coming up. So we made these cute little crabs, and they have like facts about crabs and stuff inside. This little guy is our little octopus. He's just hanging from a string. I'm gonna put up the rest of our octopus. And then we also made, because we announced that we're gonna be doing chick life cycles. Like I said earlier, I got the incubator. I mean, it's gonna be here, but we made little chicks. And so I just asked the students if they were a baby chick, what would they be or what would they do, and a lot of them put my name would be Little Fluff. I would play with my sister. So they just wrote little sentences. Isn't that just like so precious? I'm basically gonna glue the little sentence that they wrote to the chick, and then we're gonna display them over here in our little art gallery. So this whole thing is gonna have the chicks, and then we have one other craft that we're gonna do. I'm gonna take all of this off, and we're gonna put the incubator, and then we've got real butterflies coming, caterpillars and stuff. So we're gonna have a little like help us name our chicks, like almost like an anchor chart up, and the parents can help during the open house and spring program name the little chicks. They're not here yet, but we're gonna do coming in April sign, so we're really excited about that. Okay, so anyways, today was super busy, super productive. Literally, like, look over here. It's like the whole pile of octopus I have to put up. But I'm gonna put a bunch of stuff up today, and then I'm gonna head home, and I'm hoping that Lakeshore stuff came today. I don't know if it did or not, but I'm pretty excited about that. I've got a Lakeshore video that's going to be all about flexible seating, flex seating, or flex space, which is kind of like Lakeshore sent me all this new flexible seating stuff. So I'm really stoked about that. But anyway, so this other window is closed right now, but this other window we're gonna do butcher paper, which you can see right there. I'm gonna do like grass, and then we're gonna do tigers in it, because we've got monkeys up here, tigers in the grass. So we've got different like habitats going on. We've got an ocean theme with the orcas and the crabs and the octopus. And then over there is gonna be our life cycle, butterfly life cycle, and then we've got jungle theme. Sorry if I'm making you sick, jungle theme over here. So anyways, I'm so excited. It's turning out so cute. So I will catch up with you guys maybe tomorrow. I don't know. I probably won't vlog anymore tonight, but I will catch up with you guys for sure tomorrow. Good morning. It is about 4:30 in the morning on Wednesday morning. I've already had my coffee, and I am up working on editing my Etsy haul video and wrapping up digital centers for my Teachers Pay Teachers store. And it's actually for a collaboration project with Deanna John. We actually sell them in her store. So I am up doing that this morning. I'm hoping to get like the Etsy haul video done, uploaded, and scheduled today. And then hopefully I can finish those centers today. The Etsy haul is taking a little bit longer than a normal video would, just because there's so many links and like names, and I have to tag people and stuff, so which I'm so appreciative of. But I just want to do a really good job because everybody sent me free stuff for that. So Anyways, so that's what I'm up doing this morning. Okay, so it's like almost 8 o'clock now. So I am uploading the Etsy vlog. I got it done. It took me way longer than I thought. There were literally like a million links. Just wanted to make sure that I gave like the correct shout out to everybody and added their links in the description, so that took a little bit extra time. I am wearing my Coffee Teach Coffee shirt, and this shirt I got off of Etsy. I'll put that link down below for that video. But anyway, so I'm going to head to school now. We got the incubator and the butterfly cage today, so I'm gonna hopefully set all that up. And tomorrow is the spring program, which means we have to have our whole classroom cleaned and ready to go. So I'm probably gonna stay a little bit extra in class after school today to do all of that. And I got these adorable little earrings too from that Etsy haul. I think I got these from Sheer Bling something, I can't remember, but I'll make sure that that's in that Etsy haul video, so you can check that out in the link below. So anyways, this is just finishing uploading. I am literally uploading this and posting it today. Some people are on spring break, so I think that will probably help with views, but normally I would not upload this on a Tuesday morning, but that's just the way it worked out this time. So I'm going to grab my computer, head to school, and probably see you guys either at lunch or after school. All right, see ya. Hey guys, so it is Wednesday after school, and I wanted to just show you a couple things that we've been working on. We are working to get the classroom ready for our spring program. And so my team teacher did these little marble painted Easter eggs with the students today. I am just taking down our 100th day of school bubble gum machine things, and we're gonna hang the Easter egg things up here. And then I also got the egg incubator and the butterfly cage up, and this just says baby chicks will be arriving in April. So exciting. So I'm just gonna work a little bit in the classroom hanging up stuff, and then I'm gonna clean. Oh, she did these too. How sweet is this? This says, I pledge of allegiance to the American flag. And then she did like a little handprint flag. That's so cute. I didn't know she was gonna do that. How fun. Okay, so tomorrow night is the night, which is crazy because you know how you feel like everything is, like you have so much to do in so little time? I also need to update our Ready, Set, Go board. The students, I can't get too close because their names are on it, but we do Bible memory verses for that first track, reading for the second one, and then math, and they all log their math and reading time, and then we do Bible memory verses for Bible, and so they just verbally, they say them to us, and then they get points for that, and then at the end of the year there's awards and stuff that are given for those. So anyways, I'm just gonna work a little bit in the classroom, and then I have a webinar online tonight for my class that I'm currently taking, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. The day was pretty good, really productive as far as academics went. We did a couple crafts. Oh, I forgot to show you. We did sloths today. Okay, can you see them? There's like the cutest little sloths ever. So we also did sloths today. We made little sloths today. And then we hung up, I think I showed you guys this yesterday, but we hung up our octopus. And then behind there's the crabs. Here's a couple more crabs. They have little stuff in the mouth, like information about the crabs. And then our orca whales are down there. So we are getting there. I just need to clean, and clean some more at this point. So anyways, I will see you guys probably tomorrow. See ya. Hey guys, so it is Thursday evening and the classroom is officially ready. Everything is up and ready to go. Super cute. Everything turned out great. Let me show you a couple things. So we've got our incubator out and we have a couple models of the butterfly and the chick life cycle. You can find these in my store. I'll link those down below. Those are just hatching egg journals. So they color the front, and then for each day they color in the egg, and then inside they just write what day it is, and then draw what they see. We've got our butterfly life cycle. We've got our octopus, our crabs, our orcas, our monkeys, and our sloths, which turned out so cute. Everything is cleaned, tip-top shape, ready to go. We are also doing life cycle observations, and we had, I had a friend repaint this, rehydrated some more Orbeez so the kids can play with those. Thank you for your commitment. There's some mints in here. I will catch up with you guys later this evening. Hey guys, okay, so it is program night. It's about 6 o'clock on program night. Everything is up. Bed is made. That's a first. And yeah, everything else is up. So we are going to have the program and then welcome in the kids and the parents and just kind of have an open house. We've got all of their work on display. We are ready to chit chat, and I don't know if you can see over there, I updated our race board, our Ready, Set, Go board that has all of our Bible reading and math on it. So students who are working hard to earn awards at the end of the year, that will play a big role in that, their participation in each of those subjects. I'll probably catch up with you guys tomorrow morning and just kind of let you know how it went. Wish us luck. Bye. Hey guys, okay, so it is after school on Friday. Whew. This was a busy week. Like, this is a crazy week, I'm not gonna lie. We had a great program yesterday. The kids did great today. It was kind of a chill day. I think they were all pretty tired from the program, from the busy week. But we got a lot done academically. And when the parents came in last night, you wanna hear something crazy? There were 2 dogs that came in the classroom last night and like ran around. We had no idea where they came from. They literally came off the street. They ran around the classroom and went to our cookie tray and like scarfed down our cookie tray. Crazy, right? And they were huge. I'm like praying in the back of my mind, like, Lord, please don't let these dogs be aggressive. But they weren't, they were fine. And so my team teacher and I just kind of looked at each other. We're like, you go that way, I'll go this way. And we kind of ushered them out the door. But that was like kind of a scary moment this week. They was so random. Like, we don't even know where they came from. But anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the vlog here. I'm gonna be filming the flex space seating video from Lakeshore Learning this weekend. I'll make sure to link that video down below once it's done. I'm really excited. They sent me a ton of stuff for the classroom. Honestly, we use flexible seating in the classroom. I don't even have a desk. Like, this is my desk right here, look. Like, this is what I use. And it's mobile, it's got wheels, I can move it around, you know. I do have, like, you know, the teacher toolbox and stuff for like safety pins and staplers and stuff like that, but I don't have like a formal sit-down desk. So having the products that you need to have a flexible seating styled classroom is important. And so when Lakeshore reached out to me to see if I would be interested in filming a video about flexible seating and their flex space line, I was so excited. So I will link that video down below. You can click on that video or click right here to check it out. And I will see you guys in the next video. So stick around, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you for watching till the very end, and I will see you guys later. Okay, bye.